I don't recommend that you create a free Mighty Network. Even though you might think that's going to be the easiest way to be successful, it isn't really. So in this video, we're going to talk about two of the main reasons that people think they need a free Mighty Network and why that's not the case. And then at the end, we're also going to talk about the reason where a free Mighty Network might be a good idea. I'm Marcia Chadley, here to help you be successful with the Mighty Network platform. One of the big reasons that people think they need a free Mighty Network is because they think if they offer something for free, a free offer, a free experience, that it will be easier to sell their premium offer to those people than to directly sell it. You end up with an extra level in your Mighty Network. The free content, the free experience gives you something extra to build, something extra to run, makes it harder for you. And it also makes it harder for your members to use the network. It's more challenging for them because it's not as simple. That would be worth it if the conversion rate from the free thing to the premium thing was good. But in most cases, that's not the case. Normally, you have a very low conversion rate from people who want your free offer to people who want your premium offer. And what that means is you have extra selling and extra promotion to do. You're reaching out first to a whole lot of people with your free offer, trying to get them in so that you have enough people that you can sell to in that group that you can sell the premium offer to. So you created a whole lot of extra work for yourself. Based on my years of working with clients and on the Mighty Networks research into their many hundreds of networks, the conversion rate is low, and it just doesn't work so well to have a free Mighty Network and then sell something inside it, the freemium model, as it does to have a paid Mighty Network. Those networks are more successful. But I hear you. You may be thinking, yeah, that makes sense, but I know some of my audience cannot pay the price that I would like to charge. But that doesn't mean that you need to make the network free or a very low price for those clients. You need to offer them, you can offer them a way to get in for that free or reduced price. But for everybody else, you charge them what it's worth. In this society, like it or not, we place a lot of value on the price of something. So if you're charging for your Mighty Network, people are going to perceive that as having more value and more credibility. And think about it yourself. When you sign up for a free webinar, how invested are you in making sure you go and that you use the tools that you learn if you go? People are more invested in what they pay for than what they get for free. Definitely, there are times when a free Mighty Network is a good thing to do. In fact, I have a free Mighty Network myself. But it's not the case when you're trying to get revenue from your Mighty Network. The times when it makes sense to have a free Mighty Network is when revenue generation is not the main goal of your network. When it's in service of some other part of your work or your organization or other revenue models. So in the case of the neighborhood, my Mighty Network, I use it as a showroom for the Mighty Network platform to help people see what it's like to use it and some of the options and things that you can do with a Mighty Network. I use it myself to test and to try different things and to understand the platform. And my Mighty Network is really there in support of other pieces of my business, other revenue streams. I'd love to hear what you think about free Mighty Networks, what you agree with and what you don't agree with in this video. We can learn from each other. And I'm ready to answer other questions for you too. The best way to contact me is through my Mighty Network. Information is in the video description. Love to have you subscribe to this video channel for more tips and tricks. And I like to work one-on-one with hosts who need help in their specific situations. I also have small group support.